Whether you're a hunter, a target shooter or a farmer, set your scope for Tamworth Firearms. We're the largest firearms dealer in northern New South Wales with over 550 square metres of floor space. Offering both new and used firearms, we also stock a huge range of accessories including optics, scopes, binoculars and rangefinders as well as safes. And we proudly stock the market-leading Winchester range of firearms, ammunition and accessories. Family owned and operated for the past 7 years, we're a team of straight shooters at Tamworth Firearms. No matter where you live, whether it's in Tamworth or elsewhere in Australia, we'll look after you. So for bulletproof advice and high-quality service, drop in and see us today at 532 Peel Street in Tamworth.